Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can on your iPhone using iOS 18 to clear documents and app data. Don't forget, dear friends, please subscribe to the channel and also make sure, friends, put your likes. Please write your comments after watching. And let's get on with our topic. And if you would like to clear some data, cache, unnecessary documents, data in the apps on your iPhone, it is very easy to do it. First of all, friends, you will need to open the Settings app on your iPhone. And then please select the General section. And then iPhone Storage. Now scroll down a little bit. And here you will see all the apps installed on your iPhone. Now you will need to go to each such app, especially if you know that it takes up quite a lot of space on your iPhone. For example, these are apps like TikTok, YouTube, Telegram, as well as Instagram, Facebook, and so on. You go to such an app, and now you have to click on the option to delete the app. You don't worry, in this way the app will disappear from your iPhone, but all the data, all the correspondence, everything will be saved. And after this application you supposedly removed from your iPhone, just like here, you will need to click on the option to unload the application, and it will be reinstalled on your iPhone. Thanks to such actions, you will clear the cache of this application completely, as well as various unnecessary files and documents. And the same action you can do absolutely with each of the applications that you have installed, after which you will see that your memory on your iPhone, it has been significantly freed and the cache has been cleared. This is the way you will be able, friends, on your iPhone using iOS 18 to clear various documents, cache, and app data. I really hope the video has helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes, and write comments. Take care, friends.